To share files on Dropbox, start by signing in to your account at Dropbox.com. Once logged in, navigate to the file you want to share and click on the Share option. This will give you multiple options for sharing, including entering the email address of the person you want to share with, adding a note, and sending the file directly to them. Alternatively, you can create a link to the file, which can be sent via social media or messaging platforms by clicking on the settings icon. You can control who has access to the file, choosing between anyone with the link or only those you have invited. You also have the option to delete the link, which will prevent others from accessing the file. For users with a Dropbox Professional or Team plan, additional features are available, such as requiring a password, disabling downloads, and setting expiration dates. These features can be accessed through the settings menu, although they are not available to users with a basic plan.